Hey guys, it's Krystin, the office admin here at Leeman Geophysical. It's been a little bit since we've done a shop interview, so why don't we head on back and see what the guys are up to this week. Let's go.
So right now, I am upgrading the power cable for a distributed temperature sensing system that's going to the Arctic. So it's going to be real cold, big temperature swings, and the previous cable was just what looks like some household lamp cable or something. And we're upgrading to this heavy-duty weather-rated cable. So I'm just salvaging the old connector and getting ready to put on the new cable.
So I'm working on machining some parts for a geochemical reactor. These are just standoffs that will hold all the pieces in place when we put a load on it. So it's a load frame that they flow chemicals through and study how it interacts with the rock. And I've got a lot more parts to go.
All right. So I'm just welding up a frame that's going to hold an electrical box on top of the tower in Antarctica. So it's just 6061 aluminum. We'll TIG weld it together, and that's really all it is.
So it sounds like we've got some interesting things going on here. If you want to stay up to date on all of the cool things that we're working on here at the shop, go ahead and give us a follow, and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching.